This week's priorities. Give Journey a long walk before the snowstorm. Expand the seed starting shelves. Become more of an adult. And start investing. Look at him. Hi, Journey. Ooh. There's going to be a big snowstorm tomorrow. And it's pretty cold right now. It's like 8 degrees Fahrenheit. But we are going to go on a long walk because we need to get our movement in. We are ready. Look at Journey. Look at his shoes. So cute. Journey, sit. Journey, sit. Good boy. There's a good boy. All right. All right. I am strong. I am powerful. And I also experience emotions deeply. I am grateful that my sensitivity gives me empathy. It gives me passion. It also allows me to love deeply. But it often leads to pain and sometimes avoidance. So I'm on a journey toward courage, learning how to run toward life instead of away from it. When fear makes me feel stuck, I move, starting small. I move an inch of my body, I wiggle my toes, then I move my limbs one at a time, then a few feet, then a mile. I keep moving. Movement is the first step when pain and fear feel paralyzing, when they try to freeze you in place. So first, move, then get creative. Creativity is a solution. Create something beautiful, something kind, something loving. We literally call our God the Creator. We can empower ourselves by making something beautiful, by growing our capacity to love, to inspire, and to be inspired. I believe those are the states we are meant to live in. So when fear shows up, keep moving, get creative. It is still snowing. Journey's having a hard time finding a spot for his poo-poo. So I came out here to help him. Will you shovel my driveway? Yes. This is actually very beautiful and amazing. There are no cars on the road. So pretty. So we are basically walking on the road because sidewalk is full of snow. And Journey is having a good time. So I know that I have 2 extra shelves. I'm here in the basement, and one of the things I need to do this week is installing 2 more shelves here. And I can do it. I sure can do it. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared because it's going to be a lot of work that I need to sort out, making sure that I'm in the frame. Okay, let's do it. I think I'm done for now. Thank goodness it's done. The system isn't perfect. I definitely need a different system to hang the lights. I need more lights, more heat mat if I'm gonna do more flowers this year. Light heat mat, more humidity dome. I have lots of trays. I may do a tutorial after purchasing right equipment because it took me a lot of figuring out. So stay tuned. I got my veggie sub. I'm so hungry. I'm at doctor's office for the regular checkup because I'm trying to be more responsible. So anyway, the last priority of this week was becoming more responsible. No, becoming more of an adult, which meant finally starting to invest. And I checked it up yesterday. I started Roth IRA through Vanguard, which felt very adult. Today is such a long day. And that veggie sub shouldn't have been $7 because I'm still hungry. So after the doctor's office, I'm here sitting in the parking lot waiting for my daughter's winter concert to start. It's getting dark. Anyway, that priority of becoming more of an adult and starting investing has to do with a bigger picture of gardening and rebuilding and learning how to keep moving. And I would like to share this story with you next week. Finally at home, with my boy. So, stay tuned.
Hey, Mom,
Yeah,
you coming yet?
yeah.